Welcome to Digicrome Academy. Today, we're exploring augmented reality, AR, and its incredible impact on our lives. Let's dive into 10 amazing use cases shaping the future. 1. Education. Visualize complex concepts in 3D. 2. Healthcare. Surgeons use AR for precise operations, overlaying vital information on patients. 3. Retail. Try products virtually before buying, from furniture to clothing. 4. Navigation. AR maps offer real-time directions in cities or large buildings. 5. Gaming. Enjoy immersive experiences blending real and virtual worlds. 6. Workplace training. AR provides hands-on training for complex tasks. 7. Architecture. Visualize designs in the real world for better planning. 8. Tourism. Explore historical sites with AR-enhanced guides. 9. Advertising. Engage customers with interactive AR ads. 10. Art and design. Create interactive installations that respond to viewers. AR is already transforming industries and daily life. The future is limitless. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel for more fascinating insights into the world of technology.